How to delete post after posting on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily delete post after posting on Instagram. So in this example, as you can see, I've already uploaded a post. So to delete it, what I will do is you can either head over to your profile section and just click on that particular reels or post, and then just click on this three dot icon at the top and then select the delete option over here. But if you don't see that, then what you need to do is just tap on this particular reels or post and then click on this three dot icon once again, and then you will be seeing this option. So there is also new option for Instagram, that is delete and copy to the drafts. You can either delete and also copy to the draft as well, or you can just click on delete and completely delete from both of the Facebook or Instagram as well. So let me just select both and just click on not now, and it will successfully delete your post if you have linked with your Facebook as well from both of it. So that is exactly how you can do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.